Welcome to Visionary Designs, ready to transform your bathroom into a stunning retreat. Today, we're diving into 5 modern bathroom styles that will elevate your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Discover which style speaks to you and get inspired to create your own personal sanctuary. Hit subscribe for more design inspiration. Minimalist modern bathrooms embody the philosophy of less is more. Imagine a space where every detail is meticulously curated to promote calm and clarity. Picture sleek, handle-free cabinetry that creates a seamless look, a floating vanity that enhances the sense of openness, and a soothing color palette of whites and soft grays. The minimalist approach focuses on uncluttered surfaces and subtle elegance, making your bathroom not just a functional space, but a serene escape from the everyday hustle. Next, immerse yourself in the bold allure of industrial chic. This style embraces the raw, unrefined beauty of industrial design, blending it seamlessly with modern amenities. Envision exposed brick walls and concrete floors that add character and texture, complemented by sleek metal fixtures and a vintage-inspired sink. The industrial chic bathroom combines rugged elements with contemporary luxury, creating a striking contrast that feels both edgy and sophisticated. It's a perfect choice for those who appreciate a touch of urban grit with their elegance. Step into the airy elegance of Scandinavian design, where simplicity meets functionality. This style is defined by its emphasis on natural light, with large windows and a palette of soft, neutral tones. Imagine clean lines and minimalist fixtures that create an uncluttered, serene environment. Natural wood accents add warmth and texture, while understated decor enhances the feeling of calm. The Scandinavian design prioritizes practicality without sacrificing beauty, making it a refreshing choice for those who value both form and function. Experience the ultimate in relaxation with a luxury spa bathroom. This style transforms your bathroom into a personal retreat with every detail designed for indulgence. Picture a freestanding soaking tub, elegantly positioned beneath a large window to maximize natural light, and a walk-in rain shower that offers a spa-like experience. Luxurious finishes such as marble countertops and heated floors create a sense of opulence, while soft ambient lighting sets the mood for unwinding. The luxury spa bathroom is all about creating a serene oasis where you can escape from the stress of daily life. Finally, explore the charm of the modern farmhouse bathroom, where rustic warmth meets contemporary style. Imagine shiplap walls and a vintage-style sink, paired with modern fixtures that provide both functionality and flair. Cozy, warm tones and natural materials, like wood and stone, bring a sense of comfort and nostalgia. The modern farmhouse bathroom combines traditional elements with sleek, updated features, creating a space that feels both welcoming and stylish. It's a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern convenience. Which bathroom style inspired you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design ideas. Your support helps us bring you the best in home design. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. Until next time, may your bathroom be a perfect blend of style and comfort. Happy designing!